How to fix Facebook history not showing? Open setting and scroll down. Open apps and search Facebook. Open Facebook. Clear all and clear all data. Delete all data. Permission all. Facebook allow, camera allow, and all allow. Open Play Store and search Facebook. Update Facebook apps to the last version and reboot
Restart your
all
phone. Just click on restart.
Open Facebook and problem solved. Thank you. Subscribe my channel.